Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Turkey necks might seem unusual, but they are a hidden culinary gem packed with deep, savory flavor. This affordable cut is perfect for creating incredibly rich broths, succulent stews, or even a standalone main dish. Forget bland chicken. Turkey necks bring a depth that's truly unmatched. We're going to break down the entire process, making it easy for you to unlock their delicious potential right in your own kitchen. You'll be amazed by how much flavor you can create. Before cooking, always start by thoroughly cleaning your turkey necks under cold running water. This ensures they are perfectly ready for the next steps. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that beautiful, flavorful sear. Now, it's time to season generously. Think beyond just salt and pepper. Adding garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of smoked paprika will build incredible foundational flavor. Don't be shy with your spices here. Once seasoned, sear your turkey necks in a hot pan until they develop a deep, rich brown crust on all sides. This step is vital for locking in flavor. Then, transfer those beautifully seared necks to a slow cooker or a large oven-safe pot. Add your favorite aromatics like chopped onions, celery, and carrots. Finally, cover them completely with chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring they are fully submerged. This slow cooking process will break down the connective tissue, making them incredibly tender. Allow your turkey necks to simmer gently for at least 2 to 4 hours, or until they reach that perfect fall-off-the-bone tenderness. The exact time depends on the size of the necks and your cooking method. You'll know they are ready when the meat easily pulls away from the bone with just a fork. Once tender, carefully remove them, shred the succulent meat, and discard the bones. Return that flavorful shredded turkey back into its rich cooking liquid for serving. Now, the best part, enjoying your perfectly cooked turkey necks. Serve the shredded meat and its delicious gravy over fluffy rice, creamy mashed potatoes, or even wide egg noodles for a comforting meal. The rich, flavorful cooking liquid itself is a culinary treasure. Strain it to use as an incredible gravy or as a robust base for future soups and stews. This simple, satisfying dish is sure to become a new favorite in your kitchen, offering comfort and incredible flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.